Bonjour and welcome everyone. Today we will learn how to pronounce one of the most difficult words in French. In English we say locksmith, but in French it's way more complicated. So how do you say it correctly? You will say serrurier. Serrurier. Now let's break it down. Serrurier. Serrurier. It's a 3 syllables. Serrurier. Please practice at home. Did you know that if we live in France, serruriers are sometimes a bit scammy? They will try to take benefit of the situation and give you super expensive price for little services, especially on the weekend. French people, we don't really like serrurier. Sorry guys, yes, we have bad experience. I hope you enjoyed this video. If it's the case, please do subscribe to my channel and watch more videos about French pronunciation. À bientôt, salut!